Hello friends, this is Pank here from The Art of Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your any text into columns. For demonstration, actually I have three examples. One is like The Art of Technology has a spaces. In next columns I want to separate by each word like The Art of Technology into different columns. I have another example where like I want to after 3 digits there is no space or there is no comma or something delimiter where I can identify. So after every 3 digit I want to convert into like another columns. And third one example I have like this is long text and it has a combination of characters and the numbers. So with these three examples I'm going to show you how to convert your text into a columns in a better way. So third example is a little bit advanced. First two are simple ones. So I'm starting with the first one. So for doing this we are going to use this text to column function which is available in the data. So if you are in other column, like just go to the data, select this text to column. So I'm going to convert this text into column. So I'm going to select text to column. If you have similar values in your whole column, then you can use for whole column. Okay, but now I'm going to only for one field I'm going to change. And since here I know there is a space, so I can specify this field has a space. So next I can say there is a space. So here you can see the preview how Excel has selected this and separated this all words. If it has any tabs or semicolon or any commas, you can use. Even if there are any customers, you can use this. If there is a slash or something, you can specify that one, so that Excel can understand how your text different from one from another. Okay, so now if I say select, then just finish it. So I can see the Art of Technology, it has been split into multiple columns, and that is what I am looking for. But one thing you might have noticed, the formula I applied here and it changed that complete field. Also if there are any content into your Excel, what you have to do is like you perform this action at the end of the Excel. So if there are any values, that will get overwritten. So to avoid this, use this formula. Always keep your text on the right hand side and then perform this formula, so that your other fields should not be impacted. Okay, now let's do for this numbers actually, and it has after 3 digit my numbers are changed. So how to use this? Let's use the same way, but this time it has a fixed width. So I'm going to select the fixed width. Next, let's go, and I have to mention like after how many digits my numbers are going to separate. So I'm going to mention 100. Okay, and when I select here also, and if I want to select multiple, so here I actually have to give, so Control Z, cancel, back. So let's say in fixed width, here I can go, let me cancel, and let's start with the text to column, fixed width, go here, and after 3 digit I want to separate from 100, then from 300, then from 400. Okay, so if I only select this will what system is going to do, it is going to split into 100 and rest text into one field. So I want to actually also split by from 300. So I'm going to press Control key and I'm going to select here. Just I'm clicking here, so I'm getting this split again here. So now if I press next, it will show you in the preview like what kind of the values will appear. Okay, and I can see my values are split into correctly. Third example here is like I have a combination of text and the numbers. Okay, and I want to split it. So I will use the same techniques which I used like in this previously. Okay, so go to the fixed width, and I know my text first 3 digits are my text and then the rest are numbers. Okay, and when I say next and if I say finish, see what will happen. My text got separated, but my number, if you see this number value, actually this is coming as a now incorrect number set. So, and even if you see this number value, if you feel like because of the width it is showing like this, but actually in Excel it has a problem. in the general format, you will see these numbers are changed and the values are also changed. Like, so up to 11 digit, you can see those are coming correctly. After that, it converts your numbers into like wrong numbers. And to avoid this, actually there is another separate tricks. So let me do the same trick again. Okay, so now this is my text. Let me use this text in column, but this time I'm going to use some different technique. So again, I am going to split after this 3 digit, say next. Now here you can see this or text. So there is a characters, right? So even though it's in general, system consider as like a text, so it can understand. But for here in the general, like actually, so I have to change this formatting for this field. So this, I want this number to display more than 11 characters numbers. Actually, I have to change this field into a text. So if I change to text, what will happen? See, so I have to select this one and then click on this text. Okay, and you can see now my, even with this small arrow, actually you can see this number is showing in the text, and I am able to display the correct number here in the text format. And this is because like my number has like more numbers, more than 11 digits, and that's why earlier that function is not working correctly. So this is a simple trick from my side. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to learn any new things, you can just add a comment. Based on your comments, I can create another video. Thank you.